Decoding the TOEFL PBT. Dive into the listening section. Hello, English language learners. Today, we'll be taking a closer look at the TOEFL PBT listening section. If you're preparing for the TOEFL PBT exam, understanding the format, question types, and effective strategies for this section is crucial. So, let's get started. The listening section of the TOEFL PBT tests your ability to understand spoken English in academic and social situations. The section consists of 3 parts, and you'll hear conversations and lectures, then answer questions based on what you've heard. Part A. This part has short conversations between 2 people. After each conversation, you'll answer a question about it. Part B. Here, you'll hear longer conversations, generally between a student and a university staff member. There will be multiple questions after each conversation. Part C. In this part, you'll listen to lectures or class discussions, followed by several questions. Remember, you'll only get to listen once to each conversation or lecture, so it's important to pay close attention. There are different types of questions you'll encounter. 1. Main idea questions. These ask about the primary focus or topic of the conversation or lecture. 2. Detail questions. Here, you'll answer questions related to specific details mentioned. 3. Inference questions. You'll need to infer or deduce information that isn't directly stated. 4. Function questions. These ask why a speaker said something or the purpose behind their statement. Being familiar with these question types will help you anticipate what you might be asked, enabling you to listen more effectively. 1. Predict the content. Before each conversation or lecture starts, take a quick look at the questions. This can give you a hint about the topic and what to listen for. 2. Take quick notes. While you can't bring paper into the test, you can mentally note down key points, names, or dates. 3. Stay focused. It's easy to get distracted or lose concentration. If you miss something, don't panic. Focus on what's coming next. 4. Eliminate wrong answers. Sometimes, it's easier to identify the incorrect answers first. This narrows down your choices and increases your chances of selecting the correct one. That wraps up our exploration of the TOEFL PBT listening section. With a clear understanding of the format, question types, and some effective strategies, you'll be well on your way to achieving a great score. Best of luck with your preparations, and remember, practice makes perfect.